What's up, everyone? My name is Jeremy, and today we're going to take a look at a really unique NFT project, DeadHeads. All the episodes thus far have been about generative profile picture projects that have become what's known as blue chip NFTs. These projects are established and generate value for their holders, and they're a name that people feel comfortable investing in because they know they will do well in the long run. In this episode, we're going to look at another generative project called DeadHeads, which puts a unique spin on things because the characters are 3D. The artist, named Pawsy, has a very unique style that makes these characters really stand out. The attention to detail in the art is actually what got me interested in the project to begin with, and I ended up minting 10 when these dropped. DeadHeads released on June 30th for a mint price of 0.09 ETH. The mint actually went very smoothly, and there was a week before they were revealed, so there was some hype leading up until the moment they were all unveiled. I remember waiting patiently and refreshing the metadata on OpenSea to see what kind of rarity my DeadHeads were. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of the rarest ones like gold skeletons or ghosts, but I got a cool zombie, a mummy, and some skeletons. The DeadHeads have a lot of really aesthetically pleasing traits that make even the common floor pieces look cool in my opinion. But enough about what I think. What makes this project really cool is the roadmap. Much like other projects, the team behind DeadHeads is hardworking and looking to add value for their holders. The one thing that they did right away was implement a Founders Club in their Discord, which rewarded original holders and early members. It's an ever-changing group that rotates out the people that don't participate and allows new members to join if they're active in the project. The great thing about the community is that they work together to create stuff, and the coolest thing that's come out of the project is the animated series. The community sourced talent to write scripts, voice act, and animate an ongoing series that uses actual DeadHeads as characters. If your DeadHead gets chosen, you get compensated for its use in the show, which is just another benefit for holders of the tokens. The show also looks at current events in the NFT world and implements scenarios involving not only DeadHeads, but other projects such as Bored Ape Yacht Club and the Alien Boy. This is a way to tie together the entire NFT community as a whole, and getting those holders of other projects involved helps spread the wealth back into the community. Where does this money come from? Well, these projects are funded by the community wallet, which is overseen by the team. It's pretty awesome because they take royalties from the sale of the DeadHeads and reinvest it right back into the community and the project itself. In addition, they've monetized assets from the show, such as props and scripts, as redeemable items to DeadHeads holders using a ticket system. The project actually seems like a bit of a sleeper compared to the other 3 projects we've looked at so far, with the floor price hovering around double the mint price. In any other investment world like traditional finance, a 100% gain or doubling your money seems like a pretty amazing return on investment, where oddly enough in the NFT space, it may not seem like enough for some people. Currently, that floor price stands at about 0.16 ETH, which is roughly just over $500 US. The community also votes on whether or not to sweep the floor, which means buying back any loose stragglers that are sitting at the lowest prices and putting them into the community vault. This can be seen as a positive because it decreases the amount of available DeadHeads for purchase and also benefits the community in the sense that the repurchased DeadHeads can be given away in contests, raffles, or giveaways. Some criticisms of this practice are that it artificially drives up the floor price and demand, so it can be frowned upon by some people. However, since all actions are voted on by the community, it basically allows the people that are most active to have a say on what happens, and the idea of decentralizing a project is a big deal in the crypto community, which holds decentralization in really high regard. If that wasn't a mouthful, it will actually give you a sneak peek into the topic for the next episode, which is a very strange and unique project that is completely decentralized. I won't spoil what it is, but why don't you take a guess? Leave me a comment down below if you think you know what it is, and while you're at it, let me know which type of DeadHead is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next episode.